Alright, so his mouth is so bad that he can't even close it correctly. And that's why his tongue sticks out, even though he doesn't have no teeth. But this side, look, you see this? Like, he can't even close his back teeth. I like to have a little pillow, and I don't have an extra towel here. Alright, so we're gonna have to do you like this. Alright, boy, let's start. Let's put some peroxide on. Wait, sorry, baby. I know you don't like this. I know, puppy. Come here. We're gonna make you feel so much better. If you let me get some work done, we'll get some work done. In this mouth of yours, you're really, really bad, boy. It's okay, boy. I know. You're really bad. I know. You could breathe. Breathe. All right. There you go. Go slow first, because they don't know what's coming in their mouth, and of course they could feel it just like us. And his teeth is very sensitive. Well, his gums, teeth, mouth, everything is very sensitive right now. So I have to go slow, so he knows I'm not gonna hurt his mouth more than what it is. And I can't even grab it the way that I want to, because I know he's in pain. So we're just going to start off very gentle. Okay, Max. Good boy. Gosh, guys, this is disgusting. You see that? You guys saw that fly? It's hard when they have really bad periodontal disease, because it's just so hard to grip their mouth, because you know everything hurts them. Like mostly all of his teeth are just falling out. Like this one has a hole already because of the periodontal disease. It's just, this is really bad, guys. The plaque is like a cap, like a tooth cap. I'm gonna try and see if I could work with the ultrasonic machine. I'm gonna show you guys how it goes, and how it goes when a dog doesn't like it. Let's say if he doesn't like it, you guys will see how he reacts, because it's faster with the machine. But if they don't let us do it, like, you know, it's too much for them, we stop and we have to keep on working with the scalers. So his tongue is pink again, so he's back to normal. It was kind of purple at the beginning because he didn't know what was going on, but now he's more relaxed now. So we're gonna see with ultrasonic machine. Okay, guys. First, I test out the water because it has to come out. A certain amount of water has to come out. Not a whole bunch of water. It's supposed to be like a drop. Alright, let's see. The ultrasonic machine is not that easy to use, so you have to really know what you're doing before you use it, because you could burn a dog's teeth. Like, you could kill everything on the tooth, and it gets very hot. Like, the tip of this gets very hot. Okay, guys, there's a technique to using this machine. Not just anybody could use it. He felt the water. See? It's okay, boy. Let's see if we can go in your tooth. Oh, it's okay. You're okay. You're okay. All this is different to him. All this is new. He doesn't know what's going on. Alright, Max, let me see. Let me see if I can get something done. It's okay, puppy. It's okay. It's okay. I know. I know. I know. I know. Just breathe. 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 There you go. There you go. You're okay, boy. You're okay. We don't give up just that fast, because sometimes they do calm down and they let us use the machine. So we just keep trying. I don't have my little pillow, so it's kind of hard. You good? No, stop, come here. This is the gel that helps soften up the plaque. Alright, boy, no machine. So no machine for him because he's just too much. It's too much for him right now. So let's just try to keep going. Let's see if we can get some of this black out. No. Stop. Good. You're good. Good boy. No, stop. Stop up this time. You're not using a water no more. You're okay. No, you're okay. You're okay. Good boy. No, stop. Max, stop. You're okay. You're okay, see? Good boy. No, Max. Stop. You're okay. No, stop it. Stop, Bobby. You're okay. Just relax. No, stop it. No, stop. Alright guys, it's a long video. It's gonna take me a while. I'll post the before and I'll put up the before and after. And let's hope we could get at least some of it out. So see you guys later.